Hey guys, it's Daniel Funke from the International Fact-Checking Network at Pointer. And on today's episode of Check It, we're talking about how to set up verification teams during breaking news events, which are really hard to fact-check because the entire world is watching and hoaxes go viral really quickly. In September, an earthquake struck Mexico City, killing hundreds of people and toppling buildings. In the aftermath, a coalition of journalists, nonprofit organizations, and citizens teamed up to crowdsource information and debunk hoaxes. The project, called Verificado 19S, learned a lot about how to verify information from the ground during a crisis. Here's Gisela Perez de Hacha with more.
Have people on the sites, have people, trusted people there, and establish a network of communication between a call center that re-verifies things, that gets information, filters it out, and gives it to the on-site monitors that are not connected to the internet. So we started putting these flyers up on Twitter, white Twitter. This is also very important. Twitter was one of the only social networks that allowed us to post information in real time. We put up these flyers that had timestamps, that had a legend that said, please inform yourself again before wanting to help.
Aside from the guerrilla tactics used by Verificado 19S, monitoring social media should be a key focus of any verification team. Effectively using channels like Twitter and WhatsApp to get ahead of hoaxes is one of the easiest ways to fact-check information. Here's First Draft's Global Training Director with more.
You pick the right tools for the job. Obviously, the one we use quite heavily in breaking situations is TweetDeck, because so much comes out first on Twitter. And when you're trying to leverage TweetDeck, you got to learn how to use lists, how to use keyword searches, how to set it up, and how to use filters, which are very, very powerful, because one of the things you need to do, especially in a breaking news situation where the whole world is suddenly talking about something, is, insofar as possible, eliminate false positives.
That's all for now, but you can get more tips on how to set up a verification team at factcheckingday.com, and tune in next month for another 2-minute tutorial to help make you a better fact checker. Until next time, I'm Daniel Funke.